Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to easily move files to the SD card on your Vivo Y21. Let's get started. Step 1. Open File Manager. First, open the File Manager app on your phone. Step 2. Select File Category. Here, you can choose the file category, such as photos, videos, music, or documents. Step 3. Choose the files you want to move. Select or mark the files that you want to move. Step 4. Tap the Move option. After selecting, tap the Move option at the bottom. Step 5. Choose Destination Location. Next, choose SD card as the storage location. Step 6. Done. Once finished, the files will be moved from the internal storage to your SD card. Super easy, right? Now your internal storage will have more free space and your phone will run smoother. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.